Hello and welcome back to Bill's Workbench. I have got the Fury wagon on the bench today. I want to convert the batteries on this thing from these little guys here, which I don't like, to these XT30s, which are the baby brothers to the XT60s. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to convert it. So, first things first. Need to figure out, do I want this to be on the battery side or this to be on the battery side? And looking at the way that the XTs are now, the XT60s, it looks to me that this one, the female one, or the male one, I don't know which one, but it looks like the male one, is indeed the side for the model. And then this is the battery side. So that's what we're going to do. When working with lipos, you have to be careful because they're shockingly powerful. Let's get started. I'll get the soldering iron ready to go. I'm going to do one lead at a time. So I've gone ahead and marked the two sides. The positive is the the positives and the negatives, so that I can determine which is which. I got my shrink wrap ready to go. I got soldering iron all ready to go. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to cut this guy here. I'm going to do one lead at a time. Move it out. I'll get some red heat shrink. Go down there like so. We'll tin the wire. And then we will get this turned around so that it's ergonomic. In that. Fantastic. Looks good. Now that heat shrink up there. I'm going to use the heat gun this time. Let's bring the camera back. There we go. Now I have it all fairly safe. I have it shrink wrapped and out of the way. I will get the next wire ready to figure out how long it needs to be. Needs to be about that long. Okay. Rinse and repeat. Camera back. Alright, so there it is. That is it all connected with an XT30. Plus and minus. Red is plus, black is minus. Do one lead at a time, put the heat shrink on. Alright, let's do the truck side. Truck side is fairly easy. I'm going to remove the connector from the truck because it can do that. So why not do that? And then we will, this one we don't have to be so careful because there's no wire or there's no battery connected to it yet. So we can just willy-nilly this one. Okay. Tin these wires. Nice. Like this, that's the plus side is towards me. Put this on top. Doesn't move much. Alright, there it is. So, if you're going to learn one skill about repairing RC cars, I would say soldering is a good skill to have. and get yourself a soldering iron that's affordable and good. This TS101 is affordable and it's a very good soldering iron. I bought the one with the barrel connector AC adapter. I've never used that. I don't solder anything too big, so it doesn't matter. This does not have a battery in it, so you have to use a USB cable. And I have it connected to a 20-watt USB-C adapter. And it's been working great. Very happy with it. Okay, so let's put this back in here. Get the battery in place. Let's see how it works. Connection. Yay, we have light. All right, fantastic. That's a good little connector. I like it. And it's small. It's about the same size as the connector for the 2S. There you go. I'll probably convert some other ones to this as well. The Land Rover is one I'll probably convert. I don't know if I'm going to convert the MN models yet. We're going to find out about those. But yeah, if you've got one with the regular connector here for the balance charging, this is a good option for you, the XT30. If you got a 10 scale, go with the XT60. It's a great connector too. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something.